Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech MX mechanical keyboard. This impressive peripheral offers a comfortable, low-profile design, perfect for extended typing sessions. You can choose from 3 distinct mechanical switch types: tactile quiet, clicky, or linear, to match your personal preference. It connects seamlessly to up to 3 devices using either Bluetooth or the Logi Bolt receiver. Plus, its smart backlighting intelligently adapts to your environment, enhancing visibility and saving power. The MX Mechanical showcases excellent build quality, featuring a robust aluminum top case that ensures long-lasting durability. Its low-profile keycaps are designed for a comfortable and efficient typing experience, reducing strain during long workdays. You can select between a full-size layout or a more compact mini version, depending on your workspace needs. Furthermore, the integrated battery provides an impressive battery life of up to 10 months with backlighting off, or 15 days with it on. The typing experience is highly customizable, allowing you to select your preferred switch type: tactile quiet for a subtle bump and minimal sound, clicky for an audible feedback, or linear for a smooth, consistent press. The Logi Options Plus software unlocks extensive customization, letting you remap keys and create application-specific profiles. You can also easily personalize the smart backlighting effects and adjust brightness levels to suit your working conditions. In summary, the Logitech MX Mechanical offers several compelling advantages, including its premium build quality and versatile connectivity options across multiple devices. The low-profile design significantly enhances typing comfort for many users, making it ideal for productivity. However, a potential drawback is that the switches are not hot-swappable, limiting future customization. Ultimately, consider your preferred switch type and budget to determine if this keyboard is the right fit for your needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.